Electric scooters are revolutionizing the way we move around cities. With their compact size, zero emissions, and low noise levels, they're the perfect solution for urban commuters. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the right one for you? Today, I'm going to introduce you to 5 of the best electric scooters in 2023. So buckle up, or should I say strap on your helmet, and let's take a ride through the top 5 electric scooters on the market. Number 1. New KQi3 Pro. Lightweight, sleek, and subsequently low-mileage electric scooters are a thing of the past, but if you think that's a bad thing, it is the complete opposite of that. The KQi3 Pro may not be the lightest and the slimmest scooter, it is one of the most comfortable to roam around on. To start with, its fat tires are 2.5 inches thick. That makes this machine excellent at shock absorbing, and amazing traction that keeps you on the road when you have to maneuver around small potholes and road cracks. It also has EV car standard features like regenerative braking to give you more mileage, the always-on halo headlight and rear light, zero starting which activates as soon as you hit 200 riding meters for safety, and anti-theft is especially uncommon on scooters at this price. The scooter is powered by a 700-watt motor that gives a max speed of 20 miles an hour and lasts 31 miles before needing a recharge. And did I mention the dual disc brakes? The only downer may be its IP54 dust and water resistance, which means you should not use it when it's raining cats and dogs. Number 2. TurboAnt M10. If new KQi3 Pro is a bit out of your budget, TurboAnt M10 will not only fit right in your budget, it will get the job done even better, thanks to its robust build quality and lightweight. Of course, to price it as it is, TurboAnt took some bells and whistles off. However, it still comes with a folding design. The deck may not be as spacious, but if you have any experience with skateboards, you will feel right at home. It comes with a minimal odometer that tells you your speed, battery percentage, and the driving mode, which it has 3 of. The Eco mode is when you just want to take a chill pill. It only goes up to 6 miles. Then there is a comfort mode that takes the speed a bit higher, and if you're being late for work or class, put it in sports mode, getting 20 miles of max speed. The 10-inch wheels are also great to drive on normal roads, and the dual brake system stops you efficiently. Although it has a max range of 18 miles, the cruise control makes those 18 miles a relaxing ride. Definitely a great pick for anyone on a budget. Number 3. Riley Scooters RS3. There is no doubt that the RS3 is one of the best e-scooters on the market right now. Its innovative folding design makes it an easy carry to stow it away easily or take it on a train or a bus. But that's not the only thing that makes it a great pick. Its snappy acceleration, good shock absorption, excellent brakes, premium build, and a spacious deck. It even has a removable battery for good measure. This allows you to get extra batteries and have them charged up to be used later on, or if you're on a longer journey. It does not come with an odometer, but the headlight is ample to help you find your path in the dark, and it can go up to a max speed of 15.5 miles. But the slightly lower top speed means it can last you up to 25 miles on a single charge. Number 4. Unagi Model 1 E500. If asked to describe our dream commuter electric scooter, the Unagi Model 1 E500 is as close as it gets. One of the best things about the Unagi Model 1 E500 is the easy assembly, unlike other electric scooters which demand a more involved setup. At just a tad under $1,000, it is not cheap, but if you're willing to make that kind of investment, you wouldn't be wrong. It gets its power from a 1000 watts dual motor setup, which is amazingly quiet even at its 20 miles per hour top speed. These motors are gloriously snappy as well. Much like other e-scooters, the Unagi Model 1 E500 comes with 3 riding modes: Eco, which tops at 11 miles per hour, Standard, which tops at 13 miles per hour, and Pro, which lets you reach top speed. Although not quite rain-ready, it does have an ingress protection rating of IP54, which means it has some, if limited, protection against dust and water splashes. However, if you're hoping for advanced features such as regenerative braking and anti-theft technology, you'll be disappointed. Better keep that charger and that U-lock in hand. Number 5. eMove Cruiser Electric Scooter. Lastly, the eMove Cruiser. One thing that this e-scooter makes clear is that not all of them are made equal. The eMove Cruiser has a wide deck, making it easy to stand in a staggered stance or side by side. It can support riders of up to 352 pounds, hits a top speed of 25 miles per hour, and can travel approximately 60 miles on a full charge. The adult electric scooter takes about 8 to 12 hours to fully charge. It has 10-inch pneumatic tubeless car-grade tires, front dual suspension, and rear air shock suspension, all of which makes for a smooth ride. The acceleration is smooth enough that you can take off with one hand, though I wouldn't recommend it. The takeoff can also be adjusted for a more aggressive start if you want. The scooter has a single hinge fold-down knob along with collapsible handlebars, which makes it convenient for storage. A key is needed for ignition, and there are front and rear lights, along with independent lights on the deck for added safety. It even goes a step further with an electric horn and signal lights. So here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.